Today we will learn water safety. We will learn to kick, blow, and float. Water safety is very important for everyone. Let's have fun while we learn together. Meet Coconeon, a bright watermelon friend. Coconeon shines in the sun with colors. Fred is a friendly little boy. Fred loves to play and swim too. Today, we are at the pool. The water sparkles and looks so nice. Coconeon and Fred want to stay safe. They will learn to kick, blow, and float. Let's say our chant together. Kick your feet, blow bubbles, float like a star. Kick your feet, blow bubbles, float like a star. Kick your feet, blow bubbles, float like a star. Look over there at the sparkling water. Coconeon says, "Let's look for our lesson." Fred points and says, "I see the pool." They walk closer to the edge of the water. Coconeon asks, "Do you see those kickboards?" "Yes." Fred replies, "We can practice kicking." They pick up a bright blue kickboard. "Let's count them," Coconeon says happily. 1 kickboard. Fred counts with a smile. 2 kickboards. Coconeon joins in the fun. 3 kickboards. They cheer together. 4 kickboards. Fred giggles with joy. Now they have 4 kickboards in a row. Coconeon suggests sorting them by color. "Let's put all blue ones here," Fred says. "Now the green ones go over there," Coconeon adds. They sort and count all the kickboards. "Great job counting and sorting," Coconeon cheers. "What's next on our water adventure?" asks Fred. Coconeon replies, "Let's practice kicking now." "Kick your feet, Fred. Show me how." Fred kicks his feet and the water splashes. Coconeon laughs and joins him in the fun. "Look at my kicks. I'm kicking high." "Now let's practice blowing bubbles," Coconeon says. Fred takes a deep breath to blow bubbles. He blows gently as the bubbles float up. Bubbles are so much fun. He giggles loud. Now it's time to learn how to float. Coconeon shows Fred how to lie back slow. "Like this?" asks Fred as he lies down flat. "Yes. You're floating just like a boat," Coconeon smiles. Now it's time for our learning break. "This is a kickboard. Say kickboard." "I see a kickboard." "Let's say it again." "Count to 4. Show 4. We counted 4. "This is a bubble. Say bubble." "I see a bubble." "Let's say it again." "Wait your turn. Hands are gentle." We try again. Let's keep practicing. "This is floating time. Say floating time." "Count to 3. Show 3. We counted 3. "This is water safety. Say water safety." "I see water safety." Let's say it again. Now Coconeon has an idea for a challenge. "Can we use what we learned?" asks Coconeon. Fred smiles and replies, "Yes, let's do it." They see other friends splashing in the pool. Let's show them how to kick and float. Coconeon reminds Fred about being gentle too. Fred waves to their friends with excitement. "Watch us kick and blow bubbles too." They start showing their friends how to kick. Kick your feet just like this, Fred shouts out loud. The friends join in with big happy smiles. Everyone kicks their feet and giggles together. Next, they blow bubbles with lots of joy. Bubbles everywhere in the sparkling pool. Coconeon floats back while blowing bubbles too. I'm floating like a star in the water. Time for call and response practice now. What do we do? Kick our feet. Your turn. What do we do? Blow some bubbles. Say it. What do we do? Float like stars. One more time. How many kickboards did we count? Your turn. What did we learn? Water safety. Say it. What do we do? Wait our turn. One more time. Now let's have a mini quiz together. What is one thing we can do? Your turn. What color was the first kickboard? Say it. How do we stay safe in water? One more time. Let's recap what we learned today. We learned to kick our feet safely. We learned to blow bubbles gently. We learned to float like stars calmly. Be kind and always be patient too. It was fun learning with you today. Goodbye from Coconeon and friendly Fred. Keep practicing your water safety skills. See you next time for more fun adventures. Now let's sing our happy ending song. Kick your feet, blow bubbles, float like a star. Kick your feet, blow bubbles, float like a star. Goodbye friends, see you soon again. Stay safe and keep smiling every day.